Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. Anyways, guys, so me and Brianna father decide that we want to go out on a little date. So I'm just parking Brianna's bike real quick. I asked my mother to keep Brianna for a few hours for us whilst we go out and enjoy ourselves. So anyways, guys, so I have on no makeup. Here's me and Brianna. I don't do the makeup thing. I want to learn one day to do my makeup, but yeah. And it was summer, so I was like, hell no, after this makeup thing. But one day I'm gonna be wearing makeup, okay, but not this year. Anyways, guys, so we're heading to fish fry. Anyways, guys, so we started off with two legs and some fritters. We didn't order no food out there. You know, that's our routine, fritters and drinks or whatever like that. And yeah, so we're just leaving the fish fry because we wanted to check more than one place, so we didn't want to waste our whole day there. So we also stopped at a bar to get us some more drinks, and I'm laughing off my head in this next clip because he went to the wrong car. And we stopped at this funky ass bar, sports bar, and it was smelly in there. I didn't like it there. Okay, so we left. There was no music. They was only playing like Super Bowl, whatever sports. So we decided to go on the track to watch people ride bikes and cars or whatever like that. This is Brianna's father's thing. Okay, I don't get it. I really don't get the hype of people riding bikes. It's not my thing, but whatever. Anyways, guys, we also stopped at this spot, but this was dead, so we left and we end up to this spot, and this was also dead. It was like after it, okay, we're just gonna chill here for a minute until it's time to go have a few drinks and. Hey y'all, so anyway, so it's been like a day later from the last set of clips. When we went out, so we went to the laundry yesterday. We went to the laundromat yesterday. Gosh, I have to go through these clothes to take these clothes back home. And I don't have no coffee. I'm so mad. Like, oh my god, I need some coffee. I'm so sleepy. I didn't have any sleep last night because Brianna's sick. Okay. And she wasn't sleeping. So I had to be up with her all night. And I'm tired. Okay, she's knocked out now. Anyways, let me deal with these clothes. I'm thinking if I want to go to the grocery store today. I didn't get to go the other day, so I'm thinking if I want to go today. I'm so tired right now, like I don't want to do nothing, but let me tackle these clothes real quick. Okay. Hey y'all, hey, anyways, I'm finally going to the store to get my vitamins, straight to the vitamins. Oh, yes, ma'am. Get my Centrum. So anyways, so I saw this vitamins that horny goat weed gummies. So I was like, what the fuck is this? Girl, I had to go on home and Google what the hell is this. Okay, so yeah, moving right along. They got my panty liners. I'm so freaking happy. I feel like a woman again. Yay. So moving right along again to the next aisle, we're going to Brianna's aisle. To get her some wipes, get my baby some wipes, child. And I also got like a little case in to put her wipes in as well because that was needed. And yeah, and I also went to the beauty store to get me some more beads because I plaited the front of my hair all over again, and I kept the braids into the back, but I plaited all over to the front again, just for a new look, a fresh look. So yeah. Good morning, you guys. So I don't know if this is a continuation or a new vlog. I doubt this is a continuation because I don't think I don't think I have that much footage, but anyways, guys, so I slept in pretty late today. It's after 12. I just got up. Oh, my body was tired, girl. I tried, got up. Like, my body was so tired. My body was like, no. So I saw that it was after 10. I was like, let me try get up, okay? And baby, when I try to get up, my body pushed me right back down in the bed. Because I was forcing it. I was like, I don't want to sleep too late, you know. But baby, I'm just getting up. Because, like I said, Brianna's still sick. So she be up all night, you know, sometimes. I mean, all the time. From since she's been sick. So, and she's still sick. So, yeah, she got her first cold. My baby got her first cold, okay? Oh, that's annoying. I actually didn't want no kids around my baby like that because I wanted it to happen naturally. I wanted it to happen on its time. Finally happened. I don't know where she got it or she might have got it from somebody or I guess happened, okay? Because the weather was really iffy. But it's here. And I can't wait for it to fucking over because I'm sick of it. I'm sick of seeing my baby like that. Her nose is always draining. She's one of those snotty nose children now. And I have to keep on wiping her nose because I hate to see snot just like draining and hardening up on children's nose. Nah, I finally get it, child. Oh, nose is draining. I dread the day when it's happening to me. But she's not going to be one of those funny nose children, child. I'm going to get my wipe something nice and soft. Get the Vaseline to put there. Because, no. I hate to see that. Saggy pumpers and snotty nose. Girl. Ugh. And she's also being thrown up a lot because the force of the cold, like when she coughs, is so powerful that she throws right up. Okay, so we've been changing a lot of sheets and a lot of clothes, and snot is being everywhere. Girl, it's been a lot. She can't hold on her food. Oh my gosh, and the medicine. She used to eat. My baby used to take medicine like with ease. Like when she go and get a shot, like the doctor will recommend, like, you know, medicine for her to take. And we would give it to her, and she would swallow it with ease. I don't know, probably because she's gotten older. Like her taste buds is stronger now or whatever like that. I don't know, but she don't like the medicine. She don't want to take it. Sometimes she throws up when you give her the medicine. It's like, ugh. So I came up with this tactic, like whereas like I have to sing to her in order to get the medicine down, and that ain't even working no more. Okay, she's like over it. She's like, bitch, you can't fool me no more. And what else? Clean the nose with the squeezy thing, like you put in the nose and you suck the snot out. Oh my god, it's dreadful. Like she can't on, like she acts like a maniac. Okay. But I know the nose piece probably could be a little uncomfortable, and the medicine, okay, because I took the medicine that I gave her, and it's pretty strong for real. It leaves a taste inside your mouth, but it works. It gives you a good relief. Because one night I was clogged up. I know I'm just talking, but whatever. One night I was clogged up, and baby, I took some of the medicine, and instant that relieved me. An instant, okay? I know my baby's getting relieved. Like when she takes the medicine, so that's a good thing. Might not do nothing for the cold like that, but to clear it up, I mean, like for the cold to go, but it does give us some kind of relief. But all in all, it's been pretty fucking rough. Like I want to say it looks like it's getting better, but I've seen children like with cold for fucking a month and stuff. Like, oh my gosh, like they nose be draining for fucking weeks. I'm like, what the fuck? And I hope that's not the case with Brianna, okay? I want her to get rid of this done. Bye. Anyways, y'all, I'm talking too much. I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Whatever footage I get, that's whatever footage I have. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm just going to chill and drink my coffee. It's a rainy day today. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one.